Yes, I was just picking up my rice boil. What do you call it? Rice boil steamer, rice boiling machine and steaming from the. I have ordered this kind of machine, so I will unbox it and check how it's look like. I already opened it with the knife and we will see what kind of machine it is. Oh, big box and small rice boiler, rice cooker and steamer. Lot of plastic.
Oh dear.
And this one coming here. I will put this away. I ordered it from the Kitchen Time. What is this? Hamilton Beach. American innovation for over 100 years. I think this should be good. Good steamer, this one. Oh, we will see when we test it. But now we check how it looks like. Oh, and then they have something here. Instructions, English, Svensk, Norsk, Dansk, Suomi. There's something else here. It's only some plastic. Yeah, you can steam also vegetables with it and like that. So I was thinking trying this kind of rice cooker this time. What is this? Electrical cable is here also. A lot of plastic always in this package. Yes. Oh, it looks like this. Can do cook time, white rice, quick rice, whole grain, heat, simmer, steam, cook, keep warm. All right. Yes. This was also possible to take out this one, so you can have it like this, cover it. I wouldn't know that, but I checked from YouTube already how it works, this machine. So this is for when you're steaming vegetables or whatever you want to steam. And then this spoon, cup to put the rice, and then of course where the rice and water is going, and this is how it's look inside. And this one, I need to wash it first, and it was only when you are steaming in the same time, so it was only possible to make 2 cups of rice, which don't have space enough otherwise, but I will test that one out also, how it works. So, but everything needs to be washed first before use. Yeah, this is how it looks like, this Hamilton Beach rice cooker. Yeah, but I will show more when I have wash it, and then we can little bit test it. And yeah, but here they have some also, you can check. 5-year warranty. Nice. Here is a little bit what they have, steam basket, and explain the things on the box. White rice for some function there, and quick rice. What is quick rice? I don't know what quick rice is. Maybe it's immediately finished. Okay. Keep warm. Steam cook. Oh, it has different functions, this. Oh, we will see. We will see how it works when it's... I will test it. This is the same.